Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are making butter garlic mushroom noodles. For this dish, take 50 grams of garlic sliced, 5 to 6 button mushrooms and cut into thick slices. Cut 1 onion into slices. Finely chopped fresh coriander. Thinly sliced bell peppers. 5 ml vinegar. Chili flakes to taste. 2 tsp soy sauce. 1 tablespoon red chili sauce. 10 grams butter. 100 grams thin noodles. In a deep saucepan, bring water to boil. Add generous amount of oil and salt to the water. Now till the water is boiling, take a pan and add 10 grams of butter. Add a little bit of oil so the butter doesn't brown too quickly. Add the sliced garlic. Now add the sliced onion. Give a good stir. Now add the sliced bell peppers and mix. Add the sliced mushrooms. Keep stirring the vegetables for even cooking. Add salt and black pepper to taste. Toss the vegetables. Add 2 tsp soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon red chili sauce. Add 1 tsp vinegar. Add chili flakes according to your spice level. Mix well and add water to the sauce. Keep cooking for 3 to 4 minutes till the vegetables are done, and then keep aside. Now the water is at rolling boil, add 100 grams of noodles. Stir the noodles with a fork in between so they don't clump together. Drain the noodles and wash with cold water and add some oil so they don't stick together. Reheat the sauce with some water and add the cooked noodles. Add fresh coriander and salt to taste. Mix everything together. Now the dish is done, serve hot and enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. It would be of great help.